Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. Beautiful day today. What a great day to show you this absolutely incredible little step van. You are not going to believe this. Stay tuned. This is a 2014. It's a Ford chassis. It's a 1-ton dually chassis. 11 something for the GVW. And under the hood is the gas 5.4, the absolute perfect size motor for this thing. I just love these vans. These things are so cool. Look at the shape. And when I get to the inside, it'll all start to make sense to you. You know what? Everybody says to me, you know what? That you painted that. And it's like, nope, that you're looking at factory original paint on this truck. This has got the dual opening doors right here. All aluminum on the inside, of course. Just like what you'd expect it to be. Hey, there's even a spare tire back over there. Look at there. Nice aluminum all the way around. Hey, it's got overhead lighting right there. And the dual little doors. And the doors have little catches right there. So if you slide that door back, you don't have to worry about the wind blowing it back and hitting you in the head. Kind of a nice little treat right there. Nice little step bumper on it, and as I said, it's a dual wheel. Believe it or not, it's actually running. I know you can't hear it, but it is just such a sweet little thing. Look at this. Look at the condition of this. It's got the dual seating in it. Got a little step on it. You can tip that seat forward if you have to. You got a little doghouse right there. You can get at it. It's a nice little step van. Very typical in its construction. The brand on this is a Morgan Olson. Nice little set. It has the upgraded seating in it. This has Friedman seating in it. So that means you got the lumbar support and you got all that kind of good stuff. Such a nice piece. Look at this. This does not look like it's been used. Look at this. And I want to show you every nook and cranny. You are not going to find any dust on this thing. And I'd like to say it's because we're so good at cleaning stuff. But that would be a lie. Yeah. The reason why it is so good is right here. Can you see what that says? That is 2,386 miles. That's right, 2,386 miles. Boys, that is not the trip meter. That is the actual odometer statement. So we have a nice little Jensen sound system. And it says it is Sirius radio ready. It's got all kinds of good stuff. Looks like it's cell phone ready. You got the speakers up there and you got a speaker over there. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. So basically what you've got here is an unused step van. You got heater and air conditioning controls right here. You got cab lights, you got cargo lights in the back, and you got a nice, look at that LED lighting in case you didn't pick up on that. And you got the nice little dog, or the rolling little door here. There's your LED cargo lights. How can you beat that? Look at how clean this thing is. It is absolutely unbelievable. That truly is a 2,000-mile truck. It's phenomenal. As they say, it's a Morgan Olson body. Right up there. GVW on it is 11,500. 2014. Such a nice truck. I guarantee you, unless you go see the brand new ones, you will not find one nicer than this. It's impossible. So Jordan drove this back from the place that he picked it up. I don't know, maybe about a 6-hour drive, 7-hour drive, something like that. Of course, absolutely no issues at all. The truck is absolutely fabulous. So that's a 2014 1-ton dual rear wheel Morgan Olson step van mounted on a Ford chassis with a 5.4 gas motor. And 2,000 hours of use, or 2,000 miles, not hours, miles of usage. Hey, if you can use this van, you give me a call. We're right here at HD Trucks and Equip, fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And as always, I appreciate you looking. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444.